Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You press the clutch all the way down and verify the lever sits in neutral. This ensures no drivetrain load. Once done, move the stick into first gear deliberately and feel its gait. Don't force it. Slowly release the clutch until you reach the bite point, and as you do, apply gentle throttle to prevent stalling. Make these initial inputs smooth and coordinated so the car pulls without jerking. This controlled start sets the tone for every subsequent shift. You accelerate to the appropriate engine speed for the gear, then lift your foot off the accelerator before you press the clutch. Once the clutch is down, move the lever cleanly into the next gear. Avoid searching or grinding. Make sure to release the clutch progressively while reapplying throttle to blend engine speed with road speed. This rev matching reduces shock to the gearbox. If you're slowing for a corner, downshift sooner and use braking to control RPM. When you need to slow and downshift, brake first and then press the clutch before selecting the lower gear. Blip the throttle if needed to raise RPM so the gear engages smoothly. Once you slot the gear, ease off the clutch to the bite point and feed in throttle to stabilize speed. If you hear grinding or feel slipping, don't force the lever, return to neutral, restart the car if necessary, and repeat the clutch throttle coordination carefully to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.